Hi, this is Mark. Today we're going to talk about the difference between Pantone spot color and process color. But first, the Pantone matching system is a universally accepted standard of identifying color. It works throughout the world. It's an easy way to let someone know what color you have in mind if you're printing something. There are really two types of papers that we can print on today, coated and uncoated. This formula guide is for uncoated papers, meaning that it shows inside swatches or color chips that are used to see what ink colors will look like when they're printed on an uncoated paper. Coated papers have certain pigments and coatings that are pounded or rolled, in this case, or calendared into the actual paper when it's manufactured to give it a really flat surface that reflects light and makes it shine. In the case of uncoated papers, you can see here, for example, Pantone 7480 looks like this. In this different guide, we'll see what a 7480 looks like when it's printed on a coated sheet. The difference is the green looks kind of brighter and punchier. We're really only concerned with how 7480 or Pantone 7480 looks when it's printed in spot color or solid, which is what you see here on the left, and what it looks like when it's printed here on this side by combining cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, is the same ink colors used in your home printer or used to print at places where you're having photos printed. The Pantone solid color does not translate because there's no way to combine cyan, magenta, yellow, and black to create the exact same look. That's why if you're designing things yourself in-house, you may be disappointed with printed pieces because what your monitor will reproduce is completely different, and when it's printed, it can look, in this case, much darker. These are spot color. This is a Pantone spot color black envelope. Here is one that's printed in red and black. Blue and black. And here is a very similar red as you saw with this, but produced using cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Now we knew when we produced this logo that it was going to look different between spot and process color because we've already talked about that. So we made a conscious decision to change the color to this deeper red color. And so that's the difference between Pantone spot and process color. One final thing is there are also metallic inks. You can't produce metallic inks using cyan, magenta, yellow, and black, but there are metallic inks that can be used. If you can't accomplish the color you're looking for, most printing presses will have 6 or 8 or 10 ink towers so that you can take cyan, magenta, yellow, and black and you can add a 5th color or a 6th color. And that way you can achieve the color you're looking for. Otherwise, as you saw in some of the earlier examples, it's almost impossible. If you're going to go to a shop and you're going to have your Pantone spot colors added, it is going to increase the cost because there's what's called wash-ups where the printing press has to be washed out and new colors are added. So there's always an extra cost if you're going to go with spot colors on a process color job, but best to just kind of keep it simple and work with an expert, work with someone that you trust to get the results you're looking for. Thanks for watching our Pantone spot and process color video. We've got lots of other great videos. Please check them out. Thanks.